Hello my lovely viewers, welcome for another video with me. In today's video we are in my kitchen as you can see, and I'm sharing with you one of my favorite warm breakfast. That's porridge, the old-fashioned porridge. I already have a video on my channel, but it's very old. I think it has more than 6 or 5 years, around that. So the ingredients are super easy. You will need instant oats or porridge oats and desiccated coconut flakes and water. That's all you need. Now let's assemble the recipe. I'm using a very small pot. I'm measuring my oats, so 1 bowl of oats should be 2 bowls of water. So it's 1 part oats, 2 parts water. I'm adding my water now, 2 bowls of water. That's 1. And that's 2. And now for some flavor, I like to use coconut, desiccated coconut. I need a spoon. I'm adding 4 tablespoons, full tablespoon. And now we move on the stove and we warm up and heat it up a little bit until it gets to a creamy consistency. Stir occasionally, stay next to your pot, don't leave it, just stirring, continuously stirring, and keeping on medium towards high, but not super high temperature. You can also add plant-based milk, any milk of your choice. My favorite one is almond, but I decided to keep it simple, and water is doing the job perfectly. I'm adding milk only when I'm having in the fridge. If I don't have it, I don't bother, so water works fine as well. By the way, my favorite brand is Innocent, and my favorite is almond and hazelnuts. Those are my 2 favorite plant-based milks. I'm lowering the temperature on number 3, and I'm stirring continuously. If I will stop, it will stick to the bottom, and we don't want burning porridge. We want nice and creamy porridge. Okay, my porridge is done at this point. That's the consistency that I want. I'm taking it off the stove, put the lid on, and let it rest for another 2 more minutes. My porridge is nicely resting in the pot, and now it's time to assemble it. Now it's time to add my favorite toppings. My favorite toppings are fresh fruits like blueberry and raspberries, and a little bit of flake of coconut. So throw them in. And sometimes I like to have just nuts, like walnuts, pecans, and some raisins. And on top I like to drizzle some agave nectar or date syrup. I add a little bit of both today, just for the sake of filming, but usually it's just one. And done. Here you have it, my favorite warm breakfast in the morning. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite topping in your porridge. Are you eating porridge in your breakfast? For your breakfast actually. And type it down in the comments below, just there to type it. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like my video, don't forget to click the subscribe please, you'll not be disappointed. And click the tiny little bell that is next to subscribe as well to be notified when my next video or my latest video will come up. And also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, which is IULI Fencing. I'm posting there daily, I'm more active than on YouTube. And until the next video, look after yourself, stay strong, stay healthy, and bye bye for now. Now it's time for me to enjoy this beautiful breakfast. Super yummy. Bye.